For my science experiment, I am making rock candy. So for the first step, I have to add 56 ounces, also 7 cups of water to the pot. And I have to bring the water to a boil. And then I have to add 21 cups of white granulated sugar to the bowl. And then I have to cut the top of the water bottle and use the straws to suspend the wooden sticks because the wooden sticks can touch the bottom. I brought the 7 cups of water to a boil and then added the 21 cups of sugar to the mixture and poured it into these water bottles. I added food coloring to these 3 and to tell the difference between the seeded and the plain liquid. And now I have to seed the rest of the colored ones. So you have to dip it in the water and then dip it in the sugar to get a layer of sugar. And then I have to, these ones aren't gonna be seeded at all. And we're gonna put them in the water bottles and make them stand up straight. I'm gonna let them sit till next week and see how the sugar crystals grow. This is my rock candy experiment. It has been 7 days. So we're gonna set the seeded rock candy off to the side of this plate. And the non-seeded rock candy on this plate. It looks like the non-seeded rock candy with no food coloring turned out better than the seeded rock candy with food coloring. And now we're going to measure them. The non-seeded and the ones with no food coloring averaged 0.66 inches, and the ones with food coloring and seeded averaged half an inch. My hypothesis was wrong. The non-seeded and the non-food coloring grew bigger than the food coloring and the seeded.